Which of the following is not isomer of compound CH3CH2CHO, and CH3CH2CHO is having molecular formula C3H6O. So those molecules which have molecular formula C3H6O are functional isomer of propane aldehyde. So if we take example 1, now this molecule is having molecular formula C4H8O, and hence this is not isomer of other. Well, if we take other example, now this is cyclopropanol, molecular formula C3H6O. Now this is cyclic ether having molecular formula C3H6O, and this molecule is ene plus all, and this molecule is also having molecular formula C3H6O. So compound given A is having different molecular formula and hence not isomer of given compound, and correct option is A.